How to start a new TikTok account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to start a new TikTok account. Start by going to the TikTok website on your PC. Once there, click on the login in the top right corner. Next, click on Sign Up. You can choose to sign up using your phone number or email, or continue with your Facebook or Google account. After that, select your date of birth to verify your age. Then, enter your phone number or email address. TikTok will send you a 6-digit code, which you will need to enter to complete the sign-up process. Once you've entered the code, your new TikTok account will be created, and you can start using the app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.